South Africa's MobileGPT launches Karabo AI. Welcome to Tech Gist, your go-to channel for the latest updates in Africa's tech space. I'm your host, Datom George, and today we've got some exciting updates just for you. So, let's go! Paystack launches product in multiple African countries. South Africa's MobileGPT launches Karabo AI. Payment marketplace Zazuu shuts down. Paystack, a leading fintech company, has rolled out its virtual terminal product in Ghana, Cote d'Ivoire, Kenya, and South Africa. This new offering allows businesses to accept payments seamlessly through web browsers, making it easier to manage transactions both online and in person. With this expansion, Paystack aims to further empower small and medium enterprises across these markets, driving economic growth and cyber inclusion. In South Africa, MobileGPT has made waves with the launch of Karabo AI, a comprehensive chatbot as a service platform. This innovation promises to transform customer service interactions by capitalizing on AI-driven chatbots. Named after the Setswana name to mean answer, Karabo AI aims to empower businesses across various sectors to enhance user engagement and operational efficiency. This initiative highlights South Africa's growing prowess in AI and tech innovation. In a contrasting development, Zazuu, a prominent payment marketplace for remittance services, has announced its shutdown. Despite initially aiming to streamline international money transfers across Africa, Zazuu faced challenges in sustaining its operations. This closure underscores the competitive nature of the fintech sector and highlights the importance of adaptability and market fit in the digital economy landscape. That wraps up today's episode of Tech Gist. Now, if you haven't, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. I'm your host, Datom George, and I'll catch you on the next episode of Tech Gist. Don't forget to stay innovative, and bye-bye.